Hello and welcome to Automatica 2022 in Munich. Here in Munich we are presenting for the first time our GoCator 5500, a line confocal technology sensor, and it's really the industry's first smart sensor based on a line confocal technology. In comparison to our laser line profiling sensors or to our snapshot technology sensors, the line confocal principle can give us much more information and much better data on very special surfaces such as transparent materials, glossy materials, or even on glass. This sensor can take topography, tomography, and intensity data in one shot. The GoCator 5500 sensor also supports our new GoPixel software. The GoPixel software is the next evolution of software we are offering that runs on our edge devices. The GoPixel software also is an embedded software that runs on the sensor. As we see now here on the screen, the GUI of our software, it displays the toolbox we were using for the application and also the two results we are getting on our measurement sample. The measurement sample itself is a small sticker that contains a high glossy logo from a well-known automotive brand, which is covered by a plastic surface. The plastic surface is transparent and the logo itself is high glossy shiny material. It is able to scan the surface of the transparent plastic material as we see here on these bubbles, but also it scans as a multi-layer scanning through the surface, and it takes also the high glossy features of the logo itself. Another new product we are presenting here in Munich on the trade show is the GoCator 2600. The GoCator 2600 is a complete new series of laser line profiling sensors that starts with a measurement field of about 17 millimeter and goes up to 2 meters with the highest field of view. And it comes with an outstanding resolution of 4K+. That means we are providing 4,200 measurement points on the single laser line. This resolution is way higher than competing products. Our featured demo we are showing here on the trade show is a gap and flash installation that is showcasing different possibilities we offer with GoCator sensors. Here we see two GoCator 2520 sensors that are aligned in a 30-degree angle as a multi-sensor alignment. The UR robot is controlled by the sensors, so LMI is partner of the UR Plus program, and we offer a plug-and-play solution to connect GoCator sensors. Doesn't matter if it's line profiler or a snapshot sensor, and run them on any UR robot. For the last 2 years we see a growing demand of our sensor technology for automotive gap and flash application. Especially the features of the 25 series blue line laser gives us possibility to scan the front lights, the back lights, different color material. Different materials doesn't mean if it's plastic or high glossy shiny materials. Even chrome can be scanned with a sensor.